Mahendra Singh Dhoni, born on July 7, 1981, in Ranchi, Bihar, now Jharkhand. Tapan Singh Dhoni, a junior manager at Meccan, and Devki Devi, a homemaker, emerged from humble roots in a Hindu Rajput family originally hailing from Wali village in Uttarakhand's Almora district. As the youngest of 3 children, with an elder brother Narendra Singh Dhoni, who pursued politics, and sister Jenny Gupta, a teacher, he grew up in a middle-class household where sports initially took a back seat to academics, though his early passion for football and badminton as a school goalkeeper at Devi Jawhar Vidya Mandir in Ranchi foreshadowed his athletic prowess, leading his coach to introduce him to cricket as a wicket-keeper for the Commando Cricket Club from 1995 to 1998, where his sharp glove work and aggressive batting caught attention, propelling him to represent Bihar in underage tournaments like the Venu Munkad Trophy and eventually making his first-class debut for Bihar in the 1999 to 2000 Ranchi Trophy season, marking the beginning of a meteoric rise that would redefine Indian cricket. Dhoni's domestic performances, including standout knocks in the Deodhar and Duleep trophies, earned him a spot in the India A team, and his international debut came on December 23, 2004, in an ODI against Bangladesh, where he struggled initially but exploded onto the scene with a blistering 148 against Pakistan in Visakhapatnam in 2005, his 5th ODI, and a quick-fire 183 not out against Sri Lanka later that year, establishing him as a fearsome lower-order finisher with his signature helicopter shot, a self-invented stroke that became iconic. His Test debut followed in 2005 against Sri Lanka, and by 2007, at just 26, he was thrust into captaincy for the inaugural T20 World Cup in South Africa, leading a young Indian side to triumph over Pakistan in a thrilling final, showcasing his calm demeanor, earning him the moniker Captain Cool, and tactical acumen that would define his leadership era. Under Dhoni's stewardship from 2007 in limited overs and 2008 in tests until his Test retirement in 2014, India achieved unprecedented success, winning the 2007 T20 World Cup, the 2011 ODI World Cup on home soil, sealed memorably by his 6 to finish off Sri Lanka in Mumbai for an unbeaten 91, the 2013 Champions Trophy, making him the only captain to claim all 3 major ICC trophies, bilateral series victories across formats, and reaching the #1 Test ranking for the first time in 2009. As a wicket-keeper batsman, he amassed over 17,000 international runs, including 10,773 in ODIs at an average over 50 for 1,876 in tests with 6 centuries, highest 224, numerous 50s, and records like most stumpings 195 across formats and dismissals by an Indian keeper, while his captaincy record, most matches led and most successful Indian skipper, highlighted his ability to nurture talents like Virat Kohli, handle pressure with unflappable decision-making, and foster a winning culture amid highs, like the 2011 World Cup glory and challenges such as the 2007 group stage exit or post-2011 away Test struggles. Parallel to his international exploits, Dhoni's IPL journey with Chennai Super Kings (CSK), since the league's inception in 2008, acquired for a record $1.5 million, cemented his legacy as one of franchise cricket's greatest leaders, captaining the side to 5 titles: 2010, 2011, 2018, 2021, 2023, joint most with Rohit Sharma, 10 finals appearances, 2 Champions League T20 wins, 2010, 2014, over 5,000 runs at explosive strike rates in later seasons, and records like most captaincy wins and matches as skipper, even navigating a 2-year CSK ban by leading rising Pune supergiant briefly. His enduring association with the Yellow Army, stepping down and reclaiming captaincy at times, and continued participation into his 40s, handing over to Rituraj Gaikwad in 2024 but remaining a pivotal player mentor, underscored his loyalty and impact, turning CSK into the IPL's most consistent. On the personal front, Dhoni married childhood acquaintance Sakshi Singh Rawat, a hotel management graduate, on July 4, 2010, in a private ceremony. Their love story beginning during her internship at Taj Bengal, where his manager played matchmaker. And they welcomed daughter Ziva on February 6, 2015, whose playful antics often delight fans on social media. Dhoni, a qualified paratrooper with an honorary lieutenant colonel rank in the Indian Territorial Army since 2011, maintains a private life at his Ranchi farmhouse, indulging passions like motorcycle collections, cars, and farming. While post-international retirement announced on August 15, 2020, via Instagram after the 2019 World Cup semifinal, he has diversified into business as co-owner of Chennai FC, football, Ranchi Rays, hockey, investments in brands like Cars 24 and plant-based foods, and Dhoni Entertainment Private Ltd., run by Sakshi and her mother Sheila Singh as CEOs, producing content worth hundreds of crores, amassing a net worth exceeding 1,000 rupees crore through endorsements, IPL earnings, over 190 rupees crore cumulatively, and ventures like his lifestyle brand 7, honored with the Padma Bhushan 2018, Padma Shri 2009, Kale Ratna 2007 to 2008, an induction into the ICC Hall of Fame in 2025, Dhoni's journey from a ticket collector at Kudgapur Railways 2001 to 2003, to global icon embodies perseverance, humility, and strategic brilliance, inspiring generations with his philosophy of living in the present, accepting outcomes gracefully, and finishing strong, whether chasing totals or life's phases, as he continues influencing cricket through IPL mentorship and beyond into 2025 and likely further, leaving an indelible mark as one of the finest captains, finishers, and wicket-keepers the game has ever seen.